Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to open Mac Camera Full Guide. Open the camera app or the app you plan to use and look for the green camera indicator at the top of the screen. If an app cannot see the camera, go to System Preferences, choose Security and Privacy, then Camera, and enable the app. Restart the app if needed to apply the change. If your camera still won't open, try a few quick fixes that usually work. Quit or force quit apps that might be using the camera, then reopen the camera app. Restarting the Mac can clear driver or resource conflicts. Also check for Mac OS updates to ensure the camera software is up to date. If permissions were recently changed, toggle the camera permission off and back on, then relaunch the app to test. Control Center gives a simple route to camera features without hunting through menus. Open it from the menu bar and look for camera or video options to switch inputs or enable screen sharing. In apps like FaceTime or Zoom, the video menu often lets you choose the built-in camera directly. If multiple cameras are attached, select the correct device and reopen the app if the image does not appear right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.